Hello guys, in the following video we'll be looking at the Volvo VEA Diesel Injector removal. This video has a reference to the rocker cover replacement, which if you haven't watched, click on the pop-up link on the screen so you make sure you haven't missed anything. So we start with disconnecting the injector plugs. Next, we need to remove the fuel lines to the rail. Now we proceed to removing the rest of the fuel lines. There is a special instrument Volvo uses which would ideally allow you to torque even the fuel lines to spec, but we decided to cheat here and use instead just size 70 wrench. Next, we need to disconnect the return fuel line. You need to press down on the metal bit in order to unlock them. Having done that, we can now remove the injectors, which will need V40 torx bit. To extract the injectors, we used a slide hammer with a female adapter suitable for Delphi injectors. There's a fair bit of rust from the retaining clamps, so we make sure injectors are properly cleaned. Make sure you make a note of the injector order. It's necessary to replace the gaskets. Part numbers will be in the video description. The injector torquing happens in two stages. First, we tie it to 90 Nm and then additional 60 degrees. 60 degrees would be 1/10 of the hex-headed bolts. It's quite easy to do, you just draw a line on both the clamp and the bolt head and start rotating. Having done the hard part, we can now put everything back together. Torquing the fuel lines happens again in two stages. We start with 40 Nm and then further tight with 24 Nm. So that was it. Like, subscribe and thank you for watching.